guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today I'm inside my brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, and I'm going to be doing a simple installation of the Mopar high definition screen protector onto my 8.4 inch Uconnect screen. Now, I love the screen protectors offered by Mopar because it really keeps the screen looking great. You don't notice that it's there, and it's going to keep it functioning properly for a very long time. Now this small kit from Mopar includes everything you need, including an alcohol prep pad and a nice little microfiber towel so you can get that screen nice and clean before you put the protector on it. These are super simple to do, and I would highly recommend getting a Mopar product over one on Amazon or eBay, as you know that this is going to look great as well as still adhere to your factory warranty and won't void anything when you put it on. Also, they're super simple to take off if you ever need to replace it, and they peel right off just like a glass screen protector on your cell phone. With that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this install started. I'll clean up the screen, we'll throw this on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got the screen turned off here, and you can see my fingerprints on there from using it day to day. I've got the package unwrapped, and the first thing we're going to use is alcohol prep pad. Now this is designed to work for the screen, so we'll go ahead and tear this, pull the alcohol pad out, and lightly pushing on the screen, go ahead and clean it up. So we're going to, according to the instructions, wipe it side to side. And as you can see, we're getting the fingerprints off, trying to get all the dust off too. You can actually flatten this out a little bit more. This is just like putting a screen protector on your phone, just it's on your Jeep. So not a huge deal, nothing to fret about. And actually it's pretty neat, I didn't know this, the screen protectors actually have two of them in the package. So if you mess up anything on the install, or you want to keep a second one for later, you've got a second one in there. So once you get that nice and cleaned up, you can set that alcohol prep pad aside. And you get this nice little Mopar microfiber mini towel. It's used for like glasses and you know, screens like this. You can actually keep this too and keep it in your Jeep to make sure the screen stays clean. We will go ahead and get this nice and wiped up. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the screen protector out of the packaging. There's this clean little cover on it, and then you actually see that there are two steps. There's one that says step 1, remove me, and step 2, remove me. So we're going to follow it just step by step. This side that's facing us, the step 1, will be what's put on, and then once you have it on, you will remove the protective case on top of that. So we're going to go ahead and peel this off here, and we will test my screen installation ability. I don't think I did too bad. Gotta get the bubbles out. Wish I had Jordan here. He would have done this in about 2 seconds. So there might be one or two little tiny bubbles on here, guys, but I'm not gonna worry about it too much. You can see, actually, I'm working them out too. This depends on how clean you want this, you know, how many bubbles you want to sit here and worry about. I'm just more worried about protecting my screen. I actually peeled the entire screen protector off. So I was wondering why it was so clear. It's because I pulled the entirety of the protector off. And now there, we did it the right way. See how this turns out. If I'm not happy with it, I think that's why they include a second one. It looks like I got a bunch of bubbles from messing it up the first time there. Okay guys, well there it is. About 2 minutes later, we've got this screen protector installed in our Jeep, and I gotta say, I've turned it on here and I can't even barely notice that it's there. I did see I got one tiny little hair piece that I couldn't get out, but you don't really notice it when it's on. Maybe it'll show up a little bit more in the light. That's the nice thing about this kit, is it comes with two protectors. So if I wanted to peel this off, I can go ahead and throw the other one on and try and perfect that. Now for less than 25 bucks, I feel like this is a great buy for your Jeep, and it's gonna keep this 8.4, which is really expensive, looking great and functioning great for a very long time. Now, until next time, guys, if you want to check this out for your 8.4 or your 7-inch screen on the Gladiator or the Wrangler, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com. I'll see you guys out on the trail.